Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You plug in the Google Home Mini and wait until the LED settles. This ensures the device finished booting. Open the Google Home app on your phone and confirm it's on the same Wi-Fi and account as the Mini. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set media volume to around 50% so you can hear pairing prompts. Once done, tap the Mini device card in the app and choose Device Settings to access Bluetooth pairing. This is where you start the actual connection. You now put the Mini into Bluetooth pairing mode from Device Settings, selecting Paired Bluetooth Devices, then enabling Pairing Mode. This makes it discoverable. On your phone, open Bluetooth Settings and scan for nearby devices. Select Google Home Mini when it appears. Make sure you accept any pairing prompts and grant media or audio permissions so the phone can route sound to the Mini. Once paired, the app will show the Mini as a connected speaker. You can test by playing a short audio clip to verify output. You should now control audio from your phone. Set it as the default media output so music plays through the Mini. To end a session, either disconnect from your phone's Bluetooth settings or ask, "Hey Google, disconnect Bluetooth." If audio drops or pairing fails, reboot both devices first. Unplug the Mini for 10 seconds, then restart Bluetooth on your phone. If that doesn't fix it, remove the Mini from paired devices and repeat the pairing steps. One troubleshooting tip: clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.